What is up, guys? This is Rainbow Crafter Notebook 11 here, and we have a perfectly working fidget spinner, but the white part, it broke because I accidentally dropped it. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna toss it over there to see if it will survive. Will it crack? Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we just located this fidget spinner, but oh my goodness. We found, oh, it's not that. We found the piece of the LED. See if we could snap it back on. And fortunately, I was able to put that piece back on. So we're gonna try it again to see. And 3, 2, 1. Oh! We just located the fidget spinner again, guys. And look at this. And I couldn't find the white part. So sorry for the blurriness. I just need to pop this red thing back on. And we're gonna try it to see. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. And look at this, guys. This fidget spinner actually got destroyed. We found the green piece. And we have the red piece right here. Man, I don't know what to say. The blue fidget spinner completely survived. So that wraps it up, guys. Fortunately, I was able to fix all the broken parts. So that wraps it up, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye.